Hi guys. In this video, I want to teach one of the ways to compare two people or things together in a way that makes your presentation stunning and attractive in PowerPoint. Considering the nearness of the American elections, I am comparing the probability of voting for the two Democratic and Republican candidates. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel before starting the tutorial. First, I create a new PowerPoint file. I delete these extra boxes. We create a rectangle in the left part of the slide like this. And from the Format section, Shape and Fill, I change it to red and white gradient. And again, I create a rectangle in the same shape and equal to the previous rectangle on the right side in blue color. In a way that a luminous white line is created in the middle of the power, and as if a magical bright light is going to play the role of hiding and revealing Biden and Trump. Then from the Insert section, I add the photo of Trump and Bade. I also resize the photos. And I enlarge as much as I need, like this. I use the crop section for this. Now I start cutting the right side of the Biden photo and the left side of the Trump photo to the same size and put them together. Now I put a white line between the two pictures. I will take a copy of the first slide. In the second slide, I zoom in on the photos. Now I will take a copy of the second slide. In this slide, I want Biden's photo to appear and Trump's photo to be removed, and I do this from crop. I add the morph transition to the slides and try my work. Well, it was a good job. Now I'll get a copy of the third slide. And by using the crop feature, I delete Biden's photo and display Trump's photo in full and try it. It was very good. And for the last slide, I take a copy of the fourth slide and return the two photos to their original form. Now it's time to add my desired articles. The first slide, then the second slide and setting the writings. Then the third slide. Then the fourth slide. And finally, the last slide. Who do you think will be the next president of the United States? This was the final result of my presentation. Thank you for following me until the end of this video. I would be happy if you follow me on YouTube and like this video.